So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are gonna write a Python program to input 10 elements, separate odd and even numbers, and also print their sum. So first we will declare a list as we are gonna do this using list. So I have written here lst equals to this. After this, I have declared a for loop for taking input of 10 numbers and appending those numbers to the list. So I will fast forward it as I have explained it so many times. Okay, so after appending the elements to the list, I have declared another list of the name even, in which I will store the even numbers, and also I will make another list of variable name odd, in which I will store all the odd numbers. Okay, so now I will write here for num in LST, means I will gonna check the numbers, is that odd or even. So I will check the every number. So I will write here if num modulus 2 equals to 0, means this is the even number. So I will append it to the even list. So I will write even dot append num. So the number get appended to the even list. And if this condition get false, means the number is odd. So I will append it to the odd list. So here it is. After this, I will print the sum and even odd list separately. So first I will print the even list. So here it is. So print even numbers. So this will print all the even numbers of the list, and then sum of all even numbers. So here I am using a function named sum, which is used to sum all the even numbers which we will input or can say enter. After this, I will also print the odd numbers and the sum of odd numbers. So here it is. So this is the program to input 10 elements, separate odd even numbers, and also printing their sum. So let's run the program and let's see. Okay, so again I am gonna input 10 consecutive numbers because it is always easy to distinguish between even, odd numbers, sum of those odd numbers, even numbers, and all this stuff. So here it is. So here you can see the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and some of these even numbers are 30. Okay, which is correct. And the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and the sum of odd numbers is 55. And as we already done in other videos, and we have some these 10 numbers, which is 55, and the sum of even numbers and odd numbers is also 55. So that's correct. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you, and if this video is helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which another program you want me to explain. Thanks for watching.